I went to this Venezuelan cafe. I actually don't know the name. I just kind of entered here. But I went and ordered. I used to like pass by it because I'm in the mall next to my job, which I'm ending in 2 days, hopefully. This internship, whatever, this grueling internship experience. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I got Epre Chicas with protein beef and then some this. This is what I got. That's actually crazy. That's insane. Okay, ready? Hold on. In another life, I would be Latina. So. Do I give Latina?
Yeah.